Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the challenges what women are facing in sales. Why most of the women not preferring a sales profile job. We are going to discuss step by step. Like I am having almost 17 years experience in sales and it has happened by accident, but once I get into sales I am so happy in being in sales. I'm very much proud to be in sales. See, which field do not have any problem? All the field having one or the other problems, one or the other risk. So, but what we have in our mindset is sales means it is not a good job. It is not fit for women to be in sales. Even the family members, they are not understanding the value of sales. So, why women not able to get into sales job? Number one, she herself do not convinced that sales is a good job, and herself do not have a confident that she can excel in sales, and she is worried about what society will talk about me if I'm in sales, and whether I will be able to travel, because sales means it is a traveling job. You have to be in travel. Whether I'll be able to travel outside, whether I'll be able to stay in the hotel, is there a risk for me which I'm taking into my life? All these questions comes into mind. I am into sales last 17 years and all these problems I've undergone. Whether we should sacrifice our personal life? No, never. I'm very much happy with my personal life and I'm very much happy with my career life. We can see how to fix each and every issue. Like why you're not getting convinced sales. Why sales is good personally for me is because you get to meet so many kind of a people. You know how nice it is meeting so many different mindset of customers, meet going to different kind of places, different kind of culture, food. I enjoy all this. You have an only sales people will have an opportunity to move around, to meet so many people, different kind of places, cultures. You know how amazing it is. So that is the advantage. And sales is the only profile where you can grow faster. The more returns you're giving to the company, the better you grow in sales. And number two, what I said, confident. Why you do not have confident? If you're any profession, if you give your 100%, definitely you will be able to achieve it, right? Same effort if you put in sales, you will be able to achieve the results. There is such a step by step sales process. If you follow the process, definitely you will achieve. How other profile having the techniques, tactics, formulas, same way sales also having that. So you should have a confident. And you may feel I have to travel alone. You should have a leap of faith. So according to me, traveling is, why you think it is a fearful thing? Why you think it is a risk? Where there is no risk, you tell me. Like we have seen so many news, like IT girl got into problem. She just going to office and coming back, but in between she faced problem. How come? It is the safest job, just going to office, being in the office. While traveling time, something happened. So anywhere, any field, risk is there. If you are a person who wants to roam around, travel a lot, and you want to grow faster, and you want to meet so many people, different culture, then this is the best profile. Staying to hotel, like if you go to anywhere else, Will you not stay alone? For example, like even in the same whatever profile you are into, if there is a sales meet, if they're calling to be in stay in some hotel for some days for some sales meet, sorry, for some other meeting, you will opt for it, right? See, it is all mindset. How you're going to stay in the room, same way you're going to stay in the hotel. And it's not that the company will ask you to stay in some local hotel. Company will always offer 3 star or 5 star, and such kind of hotel there is always a security. I believe in God. If your intention is good, when your effort is on the right side, there is some power which protects you, which protects you from, which gives you safety. I believe in that. So in my lifetime till today, mm, two things is very important why I'm here today. One is hard work, other one is leap of faith. I roamed so many places. Like I went to Paris, Germany, China many times alone. How? Is all leap of faith. When you know this is your path and you have to walk through it, you have to walk and you have to face if there is any problem. So you should not bother about how I go to sales, whether I will be succeed or not. I'm very much confident if you all have burning desire to be in sales, you will be able to achieve. And why women have to choose the sales? What kind of advantages women is having? Number one, I feel women easily connect with others. They can easily build a rapport with others. They will be concerned. They take care about customer need and problems. That kind of advantages women is having, I believe. In next sessions, I will go in deep what kind of advantages women will have being in sales. I hope this session will help you to be in sales profile. And if you have any sessions to be covered, please put it in the comment box. Thank you so much.